Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we update you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court adjourns ED plea, challenging Madras High Court order, allowing Senthil Balaji to be admitted to private hospital. Delhi High Court declines urgent hearing of plea, seeking ban on the film Adipurush. Gujarat High Court issues notice on petitions challenging demolition order of illegal dargahs in Junagadh. Kerala High Court seeks response of state government, Keltron and other private entities on plea opposing installation of AI cameras. Manipur High Court admits review petition seeking to modify order recommending grant of ST status to Meities. Now let's take a detailed look at the headlines. The Supreme Court today adjourned the plea filed by the Enforcement Directorate against the order of the Madras High Court that allowed the Tamil Nadu Minister Senthil Balaji to be shifted to a private hospital for a bypass surgery. A vacation bench of the Apex Court comprising Justices Suryakant and M.M. Sundaresh adjourned the hearing in view of the facts that the Madras High Court is set to hear the matter on June 22nd. Balaji was arrested by the ED on June 13th in relation to a cash for job scam during his tenure as the Transportation Minister between 2011 to 2016. The family of Balaji filed a habeas corpus petition challenging the manner of his arrest and sought permission for transferring him to a private hospital for treatment, after which on June 15th, the Madras High Court granted permission for admitting him to a private hospital but denied interim bail to Balaji. Solicitor General of India Tushar Mehta, appearing for the ED, said that the High Court entertaining the habeas corpus petition itself was illegal, as the arrest of Balaji was in accordance with law. The Apex Court noted that the High Court will have to follow the judicial principles, and in case of any error by the High Court, we will examine it. The vacation bench of the Delhi High Court, comprising Justices Tara Vitasta Ganju and Amit Mahajan, refused the urgent listing of a public interest litigation filed by an organization named Hindu Sena that sought the banning of the film Adipurush. The petitioner alleges that the movie affects India's international relations and that even Nepal has banned the film. The petitioner further claims the filmmakers have depicted the characters inaccurately and in a completely detached manner from the Indian civilization, and the actors cannot be permitted to take an unimpeded creative liberty to commercialize religious characters. This is a sheer violation of religious rights under Article 25 of the Constitution. The High Court, however, said that there was no urgency and listed the matter for June 30th. The Gujarat High Court issued notices to the state government, Junagadh collector and the local municipal corporation on petitions challenging the demolition order of illegal dargahs in Junagadh. The demolition order was challenged by way of 3 petitions after the civic body issued such orders against unauthorized dargahs. The notice for removal of dargah was received by the petitioner Sardum Shah and the Reshama Peer Dargah Trust on June 16, which also led to violence in the city, with a large group of people being involved in a clash with the local police. The petitioner then filed the plea before the High Court, seeking directions to declare the notice as grossly unconstitutional, illegal, and against the fundamental rights under the Constitution. The other 2 petitions were filed by Samast Sunni Muslim Trust and was heard by Justice Vaibhavi Nanavati. A bench of Chief Justice S.V. Bhatti and Justice Basant Balaji of the Kerala High Court sought the response of the state government, its Transport, Finance and Industries Department, Keltron and several other private entities connected with the tender process and installation of artificial intelligence cameras under the Safe Kerala initiative on a plea filed by 2 Congress leaders seeking to quash the approval given to the said project. The plea was filed by Leader of Opposition in the State Assembly V.D. Satishan and his party colleague Ramesh Chennithala, who were directed by the High Court to file an additional affidavit. The High Court also directed the state government to not make any payments for the project without seeking further clarifications from it or till further orders. The Manipur High Court admitted a review petition that sought to modify its previous order passed on March 27 that directed the state government to consider the inclusion of the Meities community in the scheduled tribes list. The court issued notices to the centre and the state government, seeking their response in the matter. The present review petition was filed by Meities Tribes Union and was admitted by the Acting Chief Justice M.B. Muralidharan, who also authored the March 27th order. The review petition is listed for July 5th for hearing. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. And subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.